Okay, let's continue with this exercise. The page number 3, you're going to click on page number 3. Vas a hacerle clic en la página número 3. Recuerda que la 1 y la 2 no es necesario que hagas porque ya lo hiciste previamente en la anterior clase. Entonces vamos a trabajar en la page number 3 en tu workbook. Okay, so I'm going to zoom it. Le voy a hacer un poquito más grande. Yes. So you have this, okay? So you have the pronunciation over here. ¿Sí? Yo te voy a indicar más o menos paso a paso cuáles de estos está diciendo, ¿sí?
Waiter.
Waiter. Waiter is the person that works in a restaurant, ¿sí? Un waiter works in a restaurant. Esta persona trabaja en un restaurante. ¿Dónde está el waiter? Okay, this is the waiter, okay? El mesero. Let's go to the next one. Okay, let's listen.
Nurse.
Nurse. This person works in a hospital. Nurse. Okay, so this is a nurse. Una enfermera. Let's continue with the next
Postman.
one. Okay.
Postman.
Postman is a person who works in a post office. Es el cartero. Postman. ¿Sí? A postman.
Farmer.
Farmer. This person works in the farm. Esta persona trabaja en the farm, en la granja. Okay, this is a farmer. Trabaja en la granja, so it's a farmer.
Policeman.
Policeman. Okay, this is a policeman. Policeman. ¿Dónde está el policeman? I think this is the policeman.
Football player.
Football player. Football player. I think it's this one. Librarian. Librarian works in a library with books, a lot of books. Librarian. ¿Dónde está el bibliotecario? Librarian. Aquí. She is the librarian. Like a teacher. Parece una teacher. Doctor works in a hospital too. Is a doctor. Yes. Stewardess. Stewardess is the person who attend in a plane. Es una persona que atiende en un avión. That's a stewardess. Es una azafata. Stewardess. Stewardess. Okay. But si le digo veterinarian, it's too long. Es demasiado largo. La parte corta de veterinario is a vet. This is a vet. Veterinarian. Okay. Painter. A painter is someone who paints. Es una persona que pinta, especially cuadros on oil. Oil. ¿Dónde está? Painter. Painter over here. This is a painter. A singer is, for example, Adele is a singer. Singer is who else? ¿Cómo es estos? I don't know many singers like Adele. Jennifer Lopez is a singer. I don't know. There are many singers. Where is the singer over here? The singer is over here with a microphone. Okay, he's a singer. Cook. A cook is like a chef. Okay, cook is like a chef. Okay, let's put this one. Pilot is who drive a plane. Es quien maneja un avión. Okay, so I think. Okay, let's see. This is a policeman. I think this is a policeman because I see the gun. Veo la arma ahí. Entonces, this is the pilot. Okay. Yes. Electrician. So the electrician works with cables and balls. Trabaja con electricidad. Mira, electrician. Let's see. Plumber. This is the plumber. You see. This is the plumber. El fontanero. Fireman. Fireman es quien trabaja con el fuego. Fireman, hombre de fuego, no. is a firefighter. This is fireman. See, bombero. Teacher. I am a teacher. So where am I? I think this is the teacher. Photographer is un fotógrafo. Where is the photographer over here? Baker. So baker works with bread. See? Un panadero, baker. Baker, panadero. Musician. This is the musician. I have this. Me faltan esos pocos. Scientist. This is a scientist. Works with chemicals. Really scientist, un científico. Let's see. Me falta el mechanic and the builder. This is the builder. Construye cosas. Okay, let's see. Wait. Plumber. This is the builder. This is the builder, el constructor. Y este es the plumber. Este trabaja solo con tuberías, ¿ok? Plumber. Fontanero. Hairdresser. Hairdresser es el peluquero. Hairdresser. Let's see. Yes. And that's it. Okay. Let's see if I got the answers right. Veamos si estoy bien las respuestas. No, no puedo ver. Porque si le doy clic, ya está calificado y, well, de hecho, tienes que ser tú. Okay. So, I have just finished, but si le doy clic, tú tienes que darle clic en finish. Porque si no me le das clic en finish, no se guarda. No se guardan las respuestas. ¿Sí? Ok, una vez que termines todas, tienes que darle clic en Finished para que me lleguen los resultados a mí. Si no le das clic en Finished, no me van a llegar. Ok, so that's the end of this worksheet. I will see you in the next one. Okay.